Today we're going to do another dead sled RC pull, and we have 17 trucks today. The top table is all stock class. The three on the left there are modified class, and those are the Outlaw class. So starting off, we have Rob's Rift. It weighs 7.12 pounds. Hunter's Deadbolt weighs 6.4 pounds. Axial Base Camp weighs 7 pounds. The traxxas TRX4 Sport weighs 6.8 pounds. The blue redcat Gen 1 weighs 6.15 pounds. The axial Wraith weighs 6.4 pounds. Hunter's traxxas TRX4 High Trail weighs 7.8 pounds. The blue Ford Dually weighs 5.5 pounds. And the black traxxas Blazer weighs 7.8 pounds. And that's all stock class. And going to the modified class, we have the orange redcat. It weighs 8.14 pounds. The Olkev's Gloverstein weighs 8.9 pounds, and the traxxas Bronco weighs 8.1 pounds. Now coming to the Outlaw class, we have the brown Ford High Trail. It weighs 10.1 pounds. Olkev's High Trail weighs 13 pounds. Hunter's TRX4 weighs 11.6 pounds. Hoyt's TRX4 weighs 11.1 pounds. And my traxxas Blazer weighs 12.14 pounds. So that'll be all the classes there. Stock class is 6 to 8 pounds. Modified class is 8 to 10 pounds. And the Outlaw class is 10 pounds. Okay, first up, we got one brick in the sled. We got Rob's Rift pulling. There's a full. Okay, next up is Hunter's Deadbolt. All right, there's a full pull. Okay, next up is the axial base camp driven by Uncle Kev. Okay, next up, got the traxxas TRX4 Sport, driven by Mike. Okay, next up, we got Austin driving the redcat Gen 8.
I'll try to get him ready when you guys pull.
All right, there's a full pull. We got Rob driving the axial Wraith.
Looks like Ray. Looks like Ray.
All right, that went out of bounds. We'll back up to try the axial Wraith back up for a second pull. Okay, here's a full Next up, got Hunter's Traxxas TRX4 High Trail. There's a full pull. Next up, Austin driving the blue Ford. Okay, here's next up, got Rob driving the black Blazer. Okay, here's a full pull. Okay, next up, got Rob's Rift with 2 bricks in the sled.
Yeah, so.
There's a full pull. Got Hunter's Deadbolt up next. Alright, Latin's out. Next up, got Old Kev driving the axial base camp. Alright, there's a full pull. Mike driving the TRX4 Sport. Alright, I think that one's going out, so got 41 inches on that pull. Next up, Austin driving the redcat. That one went out of bounds. We'll back up, get him another Austin back up for his second pull. First pull went out of bounds. Alright, we're going to see how far he got on that pull. The second pull was 42 inches. Next up, Rob driving the axial Wraith. right, we'll see how far that can get. 34 inches. Next up, Hunter's TRX4 High Trail.
Can you just open that cap and let it pour in?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll just put my name on. Yeah. Man, I hate these. Fuck, because they have garbage. You see that one? Yeah. Yeah, anybody can use it. There was a guy that sold his little boat off of it.
There's a full pull. Austin driving the blue Ford. Out of bounds. All right, second pull. All right, so that's the second pull for that one. That one's out. I got 7 inches. All right, back. Rob's back up with the black Blazer. All right, we'll back up. Try it. Black Blazer up for a second pull.
That's a bad fish. I ain't never seen it. Easy, never again.
All right, and there's a full pull. Okay, starting back over with the full pulls. We added 1 brick to the sled. Rob's up first. Out of bounds. All right, Rob's back up for a second pull. You can keep going. It's past that one. All right, we'll see how far you got. 38 inches on the second pull. Next up, okay, I'm driving the axial base camp. All right, and there's a full pull. Hunter's up next with his TRX4 high trail.
Can't wait for the mic.
All right, we'll see how far he got on that pull. 33 inches on his first pull. We'll back up. Okay, Hunter's back up for his second pull. All right, we'll see how far he got there. I got 44.5 inches on that pull. Okay, next up, got Rob driving the Blazer.
I did.
All right, there's a full pull. We add another brick to the sled. That's 4 bricks in the sled. Oh, Kev driving the axial base camp. All right, see how far that can got. 23 inches on his first pull. We'll back up and try again. All right, got on Kev up for his second pull. All right, we'll see how far he got on the second pull. 23 inches on the second pull. Right. Got Rob driving the Blazer up next. All right, we'll see how far that can got, but that'll be the end of the stock class. That puts Rob in first place with the black blazer, Kev in second place with the base camp, and Hunter in third with the TRX4 High Trail. Okay, first up in the modified class, we got Ty driving the Redcat. There's a motor in that one. We'll see how far that can got. Orange Redcat got 22 inches. Next up is Kev driving the Gloverstein. All right, there's a full pull. Next up, modified class, we got Kev driving the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco. Out of bounds. All right, got Kev up for his second pull. Okay, that's the end of the modified class. Got Kev and Gloverstein first place. Got the orange Redcat in second place and the TRX4 Bronco in third. Okay, first up for the Outlaw class, got Mike driving the TRX4 Ford truck. Out of bounds. All right, Mike's up for his second pull. Okay, next up, got Kev's TRX4 High Trail. All right, there's a full pull. All right, Hunter's up next. All right, there's a full pull. Got Hoyt. All right, there's a full pull. My blazer. We got 6 bricks in the sled, starting over with Uncle Kev. Alright. We're going to back up, try it up for a second pull. Alright, got on Kev up for his 3rd try. Alright, there went a front dry shaft on that one, so.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we've got 36 inches. Okay, we got Hunter up. Okay, we got Hunter up for his 2nd try. Alright, there's a full. We got Hoyt's Blazer up first.
It's not hooked.
Alright, got Hoyt's Blazer up. Alright, there's a full pull. My Blazer up next. Okay, there's a full pull. Okay, we got Hunter's truck up next with 7 bricks in the sled. All right, there's a full pull. We got Hoyt's Blazer up next. All right, there's a full pull. Blazer up next.
Oh, you lost the wheel. Whoa!
Okay, got my Blazer back up for its second try. Okay, got Hunter up next with us 8 bricks in the sled. All right, looks like Hunter broke something in the rear. We'll see how far he got. All right, Hunter got 62 inches on that pull. We're going to throw another dry shaft in it and try again. Okay, got Hunter up for his second try with a new dry shaft.
That's everything. Yeah.
You got something else wrong, so we'll see how far he got on that pull. 27 inches on that pull. All right, we got Hoyt up for his first try on 8 bricks. full pull.
Okay.
Got my blazer up next.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Full pull. Got Hoyt up with 9 bricks in the sled.
Nice job.
There's a full
Nice
pull.
job,
My
boy.
blazer up with 9 bricks.
Let's go, Sean.
I guess the first time mine's got hot. Okay, I got my blazer up for a second pull. We let it cool down for a little bit there. We'll try it again. Okay, we got Hoyt up with 10 bricks in the sled. All right, there's a full pull. Got mine on the sled with 10 bricks.
Full pull.
Got Hoyt's Blazer up with 12 bricks in the sled. All right, there's a full pull from the sled with 12 bricks. Going to get that battery. Right, got mine back up for its second try with a new battery. Okay, got my blazer up for its last try this week. Alright, that's the end of the pool.
Nice job, Sean. Good job, Matty.
Hoyt took first place, I got second, Hunter got third, and Kev got fourth for this hot trail.
Good job, guys.
Alright, here we are after the truck pool. We're having a little bonfire. End up a good night. I feel the truck pool went pretty good tonight. We appreciate you guys watching the videos. Thanks. Here's our sled we was pulling yesterday on the truck pool, and there's about 12 bricks in the sled, so we're gonna see how much it weighs here on the scale. That weighs 54 pounds. Okay, so here it is the next day. These are the 3 winners from each class. The Black Blazer here took first place in stock class. Gloverstein took first place in modified, and Hoyt's Blazer took first place in outlaw class.